In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download Play Store on your Windows and download any games from Play Store. So in order to install Play Store on Windows, you need to have or you need to download and install BlueStack on your device, because BlueStack will make your laptop or PC act like an Android device. So first of all, we're going to download and install BlueStack. Then using BlueStack, I'm going to show you how you can show this Play Store option over here. So let's get started. So right now, I'm going to show you how you can download and install BlueStack on your Windows laptop or PC. For it, just go to your browser. Then you need to search for BlueStack. Then press enter. And then you will get this link, BlueStacks.com. Just click here. And I will also give this link in the description. So after coming to this link, you will see an option called Download BlueStack 10. So here, just click on Download BlueStack. And it will start downloading, and it will download a exe file. So right now what you need to do is that you just need to double click on this downloaded file. Then you need to give a permission, yes. After that, it will show you something like this, and here you can see install now button. Here, if you want, you can also change the install location. So I'll keep the default location and click on install. And then click on I agree. There you can see it is downloading, and it is around 112 MB. So it will take some time, so I will just fast forward the video. After the first download is complete, it will download a few more files like this. And the second one is around 597 MB. And this will take around 4 minutes to download. And when all the download is complete, it will just extract some file to install BlueStack. So this will again take some time, so I'll just fast forward the video again. And there you can see our installation is complete. There you can see. So I'll now just click on next, and click on done. And it will open BlueStack. After that, you can just make it bigger. Then on the left side, you can see multi-instance manager, and here you can see app player. Just click on app player. And once you open the app player, you will see this Play Store over here. And if you do not see this Play Store here, just check out the system apps as well. Play Store might be over here at the first time when you open the BlueStack. So here, if you click on Play Store, it will take you to Play Store, and it will act like exactly Play Store. You can search any game over here. Let's say Clash Royale. If you want to install it, you will be able to install it over here as well. So this is how you can download and install Play Store on your Windows. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.